What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Confluence with Jira. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to any browser and then you need to go to the Jira's website. From there, you need to open your recent project. And after opening your recent project, on the right side, you need to click on this gear-like icon, which is the settings icon. And after clicking, you need to click products under the Jira admin settings. Now, after clicking on the products, on the left side, scroll down a bit and then under the integration section, you will see application links. Click on this, and after clicking on this, you will see the option to create a link. Click on this create link and make sure that you have chosen the direct application link. From here, click on this search bar and just paste the Confluence application or web apps link. After that, hit enter, and when you are done, you can just simply click on continue. And after that, you need to give the application name, and you can even enter these details, but these are optional. If you want to create an incoming link, you can just check this checkbox and click on continue. And after that, you need to add a consumer key, a consumer name, and a public key from this Confluence software. So you will get all these keys from this Confluence software, and then you can just simply copy and paste it here in the Jira section. And after that, your Confluence will be linked with Jira. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.